Imagine a world where the lungs of our planet, the mighty Amazon forest, ceased to breathe. What would be the implications? How would it alter the course of life as we know it? For over 65 million years, the Amazon forest has thrived, showing resilience against the most drastic climatic changes. Yet today, it finds itself at a critical crossroads due to the onslaught of rising temperatures, severe droughts, deforestation, and fires in remote areas. The Amazon forest is more than just a collection of trees. It's a complex, interconnected system that spans species, ecosystems, and human cultures. With over 10% of Earth's terrestrial biodiversity, the forest stands as a sentinel, storing a substantial amount of carbon and contributing to global climate stability. It generates rainfall and supports economic activities in regions that would otherwise be barren. Yet projections indicate that large portions of the Amazon forest are at risk of mass mortality events due to climate and land use-related disturbances in the coming years. This could exacerbate climate change, leading to irreversible loss of biodiversity and cultural values. The Amazon is also home to over 40 million people, including 2.2 million indigenous individuals from more than 300 ethnicities. Their livelihoods and traditions are intricately woven with the health of the forest. A potential collapse of the Amazon forest would not only jeopardize these communities, but also their valuable knowledge systems that inspire societies globally. The complexity of the Amazon forest system adds a layer of uncertainty to future dynamics. Researchers are exploring whether a large-scale collapse could occur within the 21st century, and if so, what tipping point might trigger such an event. A framework inspired by planetary boundaries is being used to delineate climatic and land use boundaries that could determine a safe operating space for the Amazon forest system in the Anthropocene. Protecting the Amazon forest in this era will require a combination of local initiatives to halt deforestation and degradation, as well as global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. It is a task that demands immediate attention and action. It is time to step up and contribute to saving the Amazon forest. Recognize its value, understand its contributions, and appreciate its resilience. Support initiatives aimed at its protection, reduce carbon footprint, advocate for stronger forest protection laws. Remember, the fate of the Amazon forest is not just a regional concern, it is a global responsibility. The future of our planet depends on it.